Gather around, girls. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Whose fault is it the plumbing is not working? Barack, right. Whose fault is it my truck is broke down? Barack, very good. And who's the main terrorist in the United States of America? Barack, very good, chicken. Next one gets this right, you get a free popcorn ball at the convenience store. I didn't ask the question yet. Whose fault is it the United States has come crashing down? Anybody? Oh, Barack? What? Who? Whose fault is it? Barack, very good. Very good. Okay, whose fault is it? My battery's going low on my phone. Who? Tell me who, you infidel chickens. Barack, yes, he drained my battery. Okay. Recess time.